Hey, what's up, guys? We're back with another unboxing. We've got this, the Skeletn87 from Bredworks. Let's take a look over at the product page. So the Skeletn87, I believe I ordered the soldered version. Extras will be coming soon. Apparently there's only going to be an option for black and extras. I do believe I ordered a black one with red hardware. You get an option of hardware. It's basically a sandwich mount, FR4 case, and PCB. It only supports, PCB mount stabilizers. You're going to get a case, the PCB, hardware, feet, an Allen wrench. You're going to need the stabs like we've talked about, switches, keycaps, and a USB-C cable to use it. It says acrylic mid layers and high profile add-ons from the initial interest check have been scrapped, so there will not be any mid layers or high profile add-ons. It has a MOQ of 75 units of the soldered and the hot swap as well. I believe that was reached. It's 5.7 degree typing angle, and it does have underglow LEDs. The USB-C port is on the left side. There was a Founders Edition available that has this skull logo here on the back. It was unfortunately sold out when I purchased mine, but there was several different options for hardware color. So let's take a look. Whoa. So let's take a look at what we have here. And I don't have my knife nearby. Hey, there we go. Let's see if this will work. Surprisingly, it does. All right. Okay, so let's get this packing slip out of the way. So everything seems to be packed in here quite nicely. We've got hardware falling out. So we've got a nice red hardware there. Looks like it'll go really well with the contrast with the black. I'm a big fan of black and red, if you haven't noticed. You spent some time around here, you've seen that that is an aesthetic that I tend to really like. We've got this little piece of FR4 here that's going to go along the back top to provide the angle. We've got a plate. We have got the back. Yeah, I did not get the Founders Edition. It was, like I said, unfortunately sold out. And here is our PCB. So, nothing super complicated here. Skeletn87 PCB revision 1.0, as you can see right there in the solder mask. See, it has LEDs here. They're along the outside. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the top and the bottom. They're not quite centered, but you can't always center LEDs due to space allotments for your switches. I think this is going to be a fun, pretty simple board. I think this would be a great board for a beginner. Plate's got a little dust and debris on it, but I think a simple wipe will get rid of that. If not, I will send an email because that scratch looks pretty intense there. Yeah, so we've got our plate here. This is going to be, like I said, this is going to go on the back along the bottom. That provides the typing degree for the angle. And this is your bottom FR4 plate. So hopefully we'll be building this here soon in the next couple weeks. Lately, I've been asking over on my Discord what you guys would like to see me build. So if you're in my Discord and want to throw some input in, let me know if you'd like to see this get built soon. Thanks for hanging out, guys. I really appreciate you being here. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so below, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon. Have a great rest of your